Now this is my favorite Michael Jackson song.
Come forward, walk almost on the spot and stop this one. If you don't want to see yourself.
Yes, Auntie. Baby.
Go back on the chair like how you did it for a while. The way you do on the chair. No, the bend down something. Turn to your left. All right.